fire tonight. A little early for the first time in a while. We're about 10 minutes early. I wanted to be out here early to get everything all set up. Tonight, as I was saying in the last few sessions, that we are not going to go deep sky for nebula or galaxies. Reason being is because the moon is out and it is about 85% full. So tonight we're going to go along with clusters, open clusters, which is always fun. So tonight we're going to get M103 and NGC 663. We're going to get two clusters in one shot. We're just finishing guiding here. We're going to do short exposures tonight, so it's going to be rapid fire. Only thing is, the way that these are spaced out on the QHY, we're not going to get anything on the Orion. This right here, as you can see, this is M103. Just an open cluster, little cluster, not a globular, not like M13 or the other ones that you see. And then down here is NGC 663. So they're on opposite sides. I could move it, but with the Orion camera, it's going to get this right here. And there's nothing here. So until I can get the IR UV filter, I'm not really going to be shooting much with it until I get that filter, and then that will cut down on some of the bloated stars. The colors are off by just a little bit because it being an achromatic lens. So we're not really going to go too much with that, but we are going to go with this one tonight, and this one's going to be in color. It is not going to be hydrogen alpha or anything with the moon. Yeah, I know that a lot of people have said that you can do hydrogen alpha even with the moon being out, but you have massive light pollution, you have the moon being 85 to 90% full, and it's going to light up the sky. So the best bet is to just go with globulars or go with open clusters. Not going to go globular tonight because where they sit is where the moon is. That's near Antares. That's near where Saturn is. It's out in the southern meridian. So trying to get those clusters, not a good idea. When you're that close with the moon, I wouldn't do it. So we're just going to go short little exposures, and we'll see what we can get. I mean, we got it pinpoint stars. So I'm hoping we can get, 3 to 5 minutes, and then we'll just get about maybe 20 of them. And then stack them. And I could probably do a live stack tonight. What I can do... We're already guiding. That was quick. That did not take long. So we are guiding already. Well, okay. So, what I can do is I'm going to create a new folder on the desktop. And then we're going to do the live stack. And then we're going to see what it looks like as we go. Because, as I said, it's going to be rapid fire tonight. So, we'll see what we get. And guiding... I just wish it would have been a deep sky night. Because guiding is phenomenal. Am I seeing that right? 0.25? I'm definitely seeing that right. 0.27. Okay. All right. So it's looking good. So we'll do 300 seconds, and we'll do 21 of them, just because it's an odd number. And now we have it as M103. And then we'll do M103, and we'll just go, and we'll just start it, and we'll see. And then, but the thing is, it's going to be in black and white. Well, I could probably do... Let me just pull up... I'm trying to think if I should pull up Deep Sky Stacker live. Eh. Why not? At least this way everybody can see it live. And you want to know what? I think I might just pull up the Orion camera. Just for the hell of it. Guiding is still really good tonight. 0.34? With very minimal corrections tonight. Jeez. It's been one of those nights. My God. Well, I mean, it's not going to show M103. It's going to show stars, but... And we'll do... Let's see. Trying to think. Because we've got 300 on the other one. We'll do 240. Do short little exposures. I may go all out later on, but this isn't bad. So, what I got here, and I talked about this in the last year's episode, and somebody asked one of the ones a couple of times ago, is do a live stack. Show us what you got, and that's what this is. This is called Deep Sky Stacker Live. And what this will do is as long as you put a folder, you put all the images in a folder, it will actually do a live stack of every single one of them. The only problem is with the QHY is it's going to do it in black and white. It's not debayered. And if you're not into astronomy or astrophotography, it's complicated with a CCD camera. Very, very complicated. You have to square off the pixels to make them in color. I know. I'm not going to go in detail. I'm not. If you're into astrophotography, you'll know what I mean. And so when this image is done, which will be very soon, it's going to actually stack it in black and white. I can debayer every image, and then it will actually show it in color. So I could do that. But I just want to see what the stars look like on just a 5-minute image. This is a quick 5. We're not doing 40. We're not doing 30. The reason being is that the moon is just going to just wreak havoc all over the damn sky. And getting any detail is non-existent. Not that it matters, because light pollution sucks here anyways. And I can't wait to go out to a dark sky site. I have my second setup. I'm almost there. I ordered the lens yesterday. I ordered the IRUV, which is infrared and ultraviolet. It cuts out the wavelengths for the Orion camera. And I got a solar filter today. If you were watching on Facebook, I got the solar filter today. Tuesday is supposed to be looking really good. Alright, let's take a look and see what we got. Not bad. See how the stars look. Not too terrible on the ends. Not too terrible. How does the middle look? Phenomenal as always. It's only a 5-minute exposure, so it's not really going to be amazing, but not bad. And I think the star cluster is right there. It's dragging just a little bit on the corner, and I fixed that. It's just dragging oh so much. So I'm going to probably need another, I think it's like a 2mm spacer. So I'll probably do that tomorrow. But it's just oh so much. But that's at 1.5, so that's not bad. But you could tell the way that the moon is. You could just tell the color's off because the moon is just so bad. So if I were to go any longer than this, you're going to start seeing really bad. So it stacked it. So what's going to happen is you go to the stacked image, and that's this right here. But of course, as I said, it's in black and white. You just move the histogram over, so you just get it to be where you want it. And I think the Orion image just finished. So that's perfect right there. So this is the Orion image here. Not bad. So as I said, this is going to be rapid fire. You're going to be getting images left and right all over the place. Where is that shooting? Let me see. Go here, there, and let's figure out where the hell I'm shooting with this to see. Let's see how close I am to the center. Are we really that far off? Good Lord! We're that far off. No way. Yeah, we are. That's this right here. Is this because it's upside down, and then you have these three are this. We're that far off? Jeez. Yeah, that's where the Orion camera is right here. Wow, I need to move that over. Whew. Well, I'm glad I know that. I don't think I moved it. At least I don't remember. Wow, okay. Well, I definitely need to fix that. That needs to be fixed big time. Because it was right here. Something could have gotten loose. Guiding is still really good. 0.37 on 400 steps. Damn. And you can see these lines because when you, as I said, with debayering, you're going to get these lines because if you zoom all the way in, look how it's all squared and it's all nasty looking. It's because they need to be squared off. The stars look really good though. That's not too bad. What do you think, people? Not bad? Alright, so this one's done. So now you'll actually, I'm going to zoom it in a little bit, so then you'll be able to tell and watch the stars move. So here it goes. There it goes. So it got a little bit darker. So now you're going to start, it's going to start being a smoother image. But you could tell right there. Look at that. The moon just causes so much havoc on deep sky. Whether it's, as I said, whether it's nebula or galaxies or clusters, just everything. My God. I think that's a cluster 2, I think. Let me double check. I think it is. Pretty sure. Yeah, I think that is. Okay, yep, I found it. It's this one right here. Move it just up just a little bit so you can see it. It's this one right here. That's this little thing right here. And this is NGC, what's the number? 659. Because it sits close to these 3 stars. Oh, whoa. Whoa. Did not mean to do that. And you can see these 3 stars right here, and then there's the 2 stars there. That's this thing here. And if you take it and move that over, that's this one right here. So at least I got a cluster out of this. That's pretty cool. That's pretty neat. And I don't think I got the other one, which is this big one here, IC155. No. Because that would have sat over here on this image here. And there's nothing over here. But actually, what's really cool, and you can actually see it in this here compared to, what I'm going to do, let's center it. There we go. You could see there's like a gaping hole right here. And that's what this is, like a gaping hole here. Like there's not many stars here. And then if I were to move it down just a slight bit, there's like more gaping holes. Like there's a big gaping hole right here. That's this right here. That's actually kind of cool. That might be stardust, or it might be like a dust lane of some sort. It's possible. That's pretty cool. Maybe if I do stack this, it'll actually look really neat. This one's almost done. So again, we're only going to be doing it just a short episode, probably about 30 minutes live, because really there's not much really to show. After a few of them, it's just going to be the same thing over and over and over. But, yeah, the way we have it going now, so that one's done. So now we're up to 15 minutes on this image. When I get to 20 minutes, I'll do this in color. Yeah, the stars look really good. Where these sit and what we're getting are these three right here. 1, 2, 3. And let me see if we have IC 155 in here. I think we do. So it's that one right there. Then you have those 3 stars. That's this one right here. Okay, that's that there. Brings it down. So then you got that, which is right here. And you got that star. So 155 should be sitting right here. So we actually have 4 clusters in one shot. So it's right in here. That's where IC 155 is, right here. Okay, so it is in there. It's just so hard. I gotta flip this camera. It is pissing me off. I should have done this before. But as I said in the last couple episodes, is that when I cleaned it, I flipped it and turned it upside down. So 103 is supposed to be over here, and NGC 663 is supposed to be over here. So it's upside down. Son of a bitch. My bad. That's alright. How's guiding going? Pretty good. Pretty amazing. That's awesome. 0.4. I'm happy. I'm happy with that. Not bad. Alright, let's stack this thing in color. What do you think, people? Should we stack it in color? I say let's go for it. For anybody out there that has a CCD camera, this is how you debayer an image. Okay? So I have all these here. These are the ones that I took today. So what we're going to do is we are going to go to Batch. And it's called Batch Demosaic plus Square Raw Color. So we're just squaring the images off. Okay, and then we have to find them where we put them. Okay, and then it's M103. What we're going to do is we're actually going to create a new folder. So then this way, and it'll be M103 color. So then this way we'll be able to stack it in color. So this way we don't have to worry about it. So we'll actually cut these and paste them in the color folder. No. Son of a bitch, no. Jesus. No. That's not what I want to do. Put them back in here. Okay. We're going to open them up. Then we're going to do it. Then we'll put the colored ones in the folder. So rewind that. Sorry. So now what it's doing right now is it's processing the image here to be in color. Alright, so now it's in color. So now we can X this out. And it's going to say recon, which is reconstructed. So now we're going to cut these. And we're going to go to M103 color. And then we're going to paste it. So now we have the actual ones in color. So now what I'll do is we will go to desktop, Deep Sky Stacker Live, and then we will actually go off of these ones with M103 color, monitor it, stacked image, stack them. So here comes the first image. Something's wrong with the color. I don't know if it's because of the moon or whatnot, but color seems to be off by just a little bit. I don't know why. Does that look reddish to you people? Huh. It shouldn't be. Stars look like their natural color, so I don't know. It very well just could be because of the moon and the way that it's in the background. That's possible. And it's just causing havoc with just this. Check the end here and see. I don't know. That seems weird. Very odd. Well, middle stars look great though. I'll have to work with that and see. I don't know why it does that. Let's see, and then what we'll do is then we'll pull this up. So probably do one more image and then we'll call it quits for the night. Because we're at 33 minutes live right now. So this is the fourth one here. Yeah, all the settings are right. Yeah, it looks fine. I don't know. It looks so... We'll just wait till we get another one and see if we can just do it just as a batch. How's this one going? Still pretty good. It's getting a little darker. I'm liking that. That is really cool with that dust lane right here. Let me see if there's a picture around. I'm intrigued. NGC 659. Yeah, there is. How cool is that? Wow. That is really cool. I didn't know that there was like a little bit of dust lane and stuff in that area. That is really cool. One on the left should be just about done. That's really cool. I just want to see what the stars do here on this next image. Right to the middle here. That's as dead center as I can get, so we'll see what the stars do here. Perfect. I like it. And this one's still rocking out. This one's still going strong. So that's it. I mean, not much really to do, really. And please make sure to like or on Facebook for the page. I sent out invitations out to everybody, and also I updated all the videos on my website too. So make sure you hit the subscribe button for YouTube. For my channel. So if you have any questions, make sure you let me know. You can always leave comments and I will definitely get back to everybody right away. But again, thank you for watching and have a wonderful night. Bye.